Don't let website updates scare away your visitors. Instead, learn how to keep them informed and engaged with Wix's maintenance mode. First, head over to your Wix website editor and navigate to your site's dashboard. Usually located on the left-hand side, click on Settings, which will open the site settings panel. Scroll down until you see the maintenance mode option. Click on Enable Maintenance Mode, and a new panel will appear. Here, you have a choice: either select an existing page on your site to use as the maintenance mode page or create a completely custom one. I recommend creating a custom page so you can tailor the message exactly to your needs. If you chose to create a custom page, you'll be directed to the Wix editor, where you can design your maintenance mode message. Be sure to include a brief explanation of why your site is down and, most importantly, an estimated time of return. Once you're satisfied, publish your custom maintenance mode page, save your changes, and go back to the maintenance mode settings to select your newly designed page and set it live. Congratulations! You now have a professional maintenance page to keep your visitors informed while you work on your site.